Namaste and hello everyone. And this is Shantini, and I'll be giving you a short guidance on first the registration process for everyone having doubts about the registration. This is the last round of registration, and they will close the program in a month time. So you have just 1 month to complete your entire submission and project work process. So kindly be fast while doing it if you are starting now. So you're supposed to head over to the website. The link I have shared already in the direct comments. It is girlscript.tech. You're just supposed to just Google GirlScript Summer of Code. You will land over this page. You can click on apply now, and your steps would be very easily visible right over here. You're supposed to head over an app called Insights, and you can download the app for Android or for iOS, and you can join the Discord server for more information and guidance. You're supposed to log in with your email ID, and you have to fill some of the very basic details about yourself on the Insights application, and you can get yourself registered for GirlScript Summer of Code. While registering, make sure to remember to use the campus referral code, which is shared with you automatically in the comment section of the group, or you can just request it once more if you have no access to it. We'll share it for you. So you go for downloading for Android. I have already since downloaded it. You will find it. It's Insights by Smartly. Make sure to download the correct version. So once you open about the app, this is the kind of screen which would be visible for you. This is the app logo. For laptop also, it will be the same. So no issues regarding that. So it will load. Sorry, the internet always decides to mess. Yeah, okay. So you have to head over to these three dots at the bottom right corner. You can see the three dots. You're supposed to head over that page. Once you head over there, that's the Explore tab. Here there will be applications open for GirlScript Summer of Code 2025. You're supposed to open the banner, and here your contributor form will open up. For me, I already have an ID, so you won't be able to see the actual steps. The actual steps would look something like this, that you are supposed to fill up your email ID, your phone number, and your gender, your LinkedIn profile, your GitHub profile URL, and your resume, and some extra details you have to follow, something like this. And once you fill up all of these details, you click on the submit button. It will get submitted to the organization. They will review the material you have submitted for a while, and once they have, they will send you an official ID card and an official invitation email. Your ID card would look something like this. While you're logging in the Insights application, make sure to use your own profile picture, for it will come in your ID card. Do not use any anime, any Iron Man, Superman, Batman, even if you consider yourself the biggest Batman of your life. Just don't use your own image as the profile, because it would be visible in your ID card. It's very plain and simple, and you will get a received email that you have been successfully accepted as a GirlScript Summer of Code intern. You will get a confirmation email. That is step 1 of your GirlScript Summer of Code foundation. It's welcome for all beginners out there, for all freshers out there. It's like this big welcome from open source community. You can just join and get started on your open source journey. If you head over to the home tab, you will find more information about it, like all the information you need, and there can be tech over here. You will get blog style writings and drafts where you can know more about how to work about it. Once you have done with the step 1 of the process, you're supposed to head over to step 2, that is doing the Postman API certification program. If you head over to Postman API Student Expert Certification, the links would be all shared in the description or in the comment section wherever you are. If you have no access, request for it once. We and the team out here will of course help you in getting it ASAP. The Postman API Student Fundamental Expert Certifications is step 2. We would expect you to do. You're supposed to register as a new participant if you have not registered before. And then once you start here, you will get, okay, you're supposed to log in with your email ID and your name, password, I think your GitHub profile as well. So you will get access to all the Postman API, and you will get access to the Postman Academy first. Once you get access to the Postman Academy, you can head over and go through. There's a lot of information out there. Here you are supposed to go to Postman API Student Fundamental Certificate. You're supposed to go to these student programs here. Once you head over to student programs, you come over to API and Postman hands-on certification proving your skills. You come to this Postman API Fundamentals Student Expert certificate. You enroll yourself here. Once you enroll yourself for this particular course, this kind of a page will open up. Here you can find an overview of the course. These are all the steps one by one you can follow and get your Postman API Student Expert Certificate by going through this. This has about 36 to 38 modules and you can very easily avail it for sure. This would be step 2 of your GirlScript Summer of Code foundation work. Once you're done with it, you can share your credentials and your certificate over the Discord server. The official link is in the website out here, or you would get an invitation link from the Discord. Once you successfully register, you'd get it through your email. Once you're done with it, I would guide you how to access the master sheet. Okay, so once you're in the program, you will receive the master sheet. Multiple individuals have doubts regarding how to access the master sheet, and here is the explanation for it. So this master sheet has multiple phase projects. Phase 1, you can see exactly in the bottom I'm navigating. Phase 2 projects, phase 3 projects, phase 4 projects, and then the Excel sheet, it contains mentors information, the PA or the project admin's contacts. All the mentors contacts are here. If you scroll through, you'd find every mentor's contact here. The way of navigation is very simple. It's a long list, of course. I'll just show that you will have the name on the very left corner. Then you have the tech stack. Exactly the tech stack which you are aware of is next here. So it's very easy to navigate with the tech stack. Then you have the email ID, GitHub URL, LinkedIn URL of every mentor out there. These are private information. I won't scroll more into the details. So you have the mentors information out here in the first sheet, in the sheet, almost last sheet. And on the very last sheet, you have the project admin's information, which is having the name, email ID, GitHub URL, and LinkedIn URL. You can speak to them or connect with them on any of these profiles. How to navigate with the project? So you're supposed to select one or many projects for GirlScript Summer of Code. How open source contribution works, the easiest way of deciding what your project is going to be is through the project description and project link. They would be good indicators, but I would tell you that you should go through the tech stack, of course, because not every individual is aware of all the tech stacks which are given for all the projects. Mostly that's the case. It's usually one or more of the languages you know, of the systems you know, or of the exact system you work on, which you are comfortable in working. You are supposed to head over to the tech stack section. If you just scroll, you would have project name in first column, project description in the second column, project link in the third column, project admin's names, project admin's LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile, and then you will have the tech stack. I would ask you, do you navigate through the tech stack? Once you head over to the tech stack, if your tech stack is, for example, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you can very easily select your projects based on HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Or you can very easily select projects if your tech stack is MERN. If it is full stack, you can just select based on your tech stack and head over to the particular project link. After following through the project description, project link, which is over GitHub, all the projects are live right now, so you can just select your project and work on. That is how you access the master sheet. Now this master sheet has 4 phase projects, so you can select any project of your choice from these 4 project sheets. Once you select the project, you can connect the admin over LinkedIn or over GitHub. You can comment on them, or you can speak to the mentors. All the contacts are present right here in this one Excel sheet. Thank you.